little job for today. I got some floor paint for the garage the other week and did that bit. That was paint on paint, quite easy. And this bit, concrete bit, you can see here, it's never been done in, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 years. So I'm going to do a bit today, just enough that you can jump over it and see how it goes. I've got some floor paint. I know you're supposed to seal, put a seal on if it's a new wall or it's a new floor, get it absolutely dust free, but I'm going to give it a good hoover, a little wipe down with a damp sponge, and save getting another tin of concrete sealer. I'm just going to dilute some of the paint. Something in my head tells me that if you just do a dilute solution, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 1, something like that, paint that on, that's enough to key the paint. So, I mean, what's the footfall in here? Me, our lass and the dog. It doesn't have to be showroom standard, but it'd be nice to have it all red. And we need to surprise them what jobs you get up to when the gardens are all done. Anyway, that's what we're going to look at today. Right, that's what I'm going to do. Just had a good vacuum, brush and a little wash down, so just the wet parts. We've got to have somewhere where we can step in and get to the padded area. So just let that dry off and I'll do a dilute mix of that paint. Right, let's do this little mix. I don't need much of it, do I? So nothing so satisfying as when you go to a shop and you think, I need something I can paint the garage floor with, and you see garage floor paint, get in there, that's in the trolley. Right, so if I mean that must be it, surely. Don't need any more than that. Do I? Yeah, I do. Bit more. Right, what am I going to do with that now? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Toilet roll. Rock and roll. Right. One of that, 10 of that, 8, 9. Like that. That'll do, that'll do. So this should dry out in no time, this, so and then if I can do that bit of painting later on, that's a good bit done then, and it starts to look good in here. Yeah, happy days. So I'll just let that floor dry out, and then I'll paint this on. It's going on fast anyway, it's that dilute, so should be a quick job. Let this dry and it should be enough to just key the paint on top. still get every bit. It looks alright, and I am going to have enough, actually. Yeah, I'm going to have some spare. I'll do it to the limit where we can still get across to here. And yeah, this is going to be alright. Yeah. Okay, I'll crack on. Yeah, that's worked a treat, is that? Brilliant, lovely. Compare it to the open concrete bit there. Yeah, that sealed it. I think that should be enough to just seal it off and take a coat of paint. Yeah, I'll tell you something, right? All the jobs on my list at the minute, they're at bloody floor level, so you're down on your knees, protecting your back, and need some jobs like putting some shelves up or something at shoulder height, or even up a ladder. I wouldn't mind. Not my favourite thing. I'm always kneeling or down on the floor. But this is going to be good. This. I'll finish this off, and we'll have a look at it together when it's dried off tomorrow. Back on the floor again. This has come up alright. You can see last night this spare patch in the middle, I just sealed that like I did with the first bit, just so today I can give it a paint. Also, this, it didn't need to be done, this crack, but I found some old filler, just about rock hard, but a bit of elbow grease, managed to get it pliable and just use it to fill in the worst of the crack. Not as if it's going to split up and see me disappear down it. We don't get too many earthquakes around here, but just a bit of cosmetic. So I'll do this bit, and I think to say this is the first time it's been painted, this piece, I think it'll suit the second coat. So I'll do this, let it dry, and then a second coat, that'll do it. That's probably just about enough paint I've got for that. The old bit, which had been painted before, a lot better protection. This is rough concrete, but you know, it's doing the job. Try to keep the cost down. You know, didn't get any special sealer. Got some old filler that I just found. So that's a couple of quid a tub, isn't it? So make do amend. It's going to be alright. Happy days, happy days. 2 coats there now. Yeah, it's come up a treat. Certainly suited that second coat because it was fresh concrete. Yeah, delighted. Couldn't have gone better. Took a chance with the sealer, dilute paint. Even our Grand Canyon, yeah, all sealed up. Brilliant. Happy days. So I know it's hard to see in here, but it looks pretty good. I just need to get rid of all that rubbish now over there. Move the fridge out of the bottles and get it all done. Happy job.